So now let's see how we can work around with median and remove noise option inside a Photopea. So over here you can see that I have an image right here, and if I want to remove out the noise, then I can simply go around onto filter, and then I can go to noise right here and click on remove noise. Then I get this dialog box right here which allows me to go ahead and remove out the noise and protect out the details right here just like this to smoothen out the content that I have right here. Apart from that, I can also go around over here onto filter, and then I can go to noise and go for median right here, which actually smoothens everything out as you can see right here. So you can change around the level of radius right here just like this, and then you got the median effect as you can see right here just like this as well. And you got a smoothened out image right here just like this at the end over here. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with median and remove noise effects inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe